Today we are going to be doing some addition and subtraction word problems. So in each of these problems you are going to have to decide if it is addition or subtraction. Look for some words in the story problem that kind of give you clues as to which one it is, addition or subtraction. Remember, just like yesterday, you are going to pause the video when you are still working on the problem. So after I read number 1, you can pause it and do the work for number 1. You can also rewind it and listen to number 1 read again. Number 1. There were 54 people running in a race. 23 people didn't finish. How many people did finish the race? Okay, make sure you pause it before I go on to number 2. On Thursday, they had a dance in the gym. There were 42 adults and 37 children. How many people were there? Okay, so think again, addition or subtraction, and make sure you pause it before I read number 3. Number 3, there were 64 people running in a race. 22 people didn't finish. How many people did finish the race? So you're going to notice some similarities between kind of what's going on in each story. Okay, another dance in the gym for number 4. On Friday, they had a dance in the gym. There were 36 adults and 54 children. How many people were there? Okay, make sure you pause it. I'm about to read number 5. Number 5, there were 42 people running in a race. 19 people didn't finish. How many people did finish the race? All right, remember there is a backside, so make sure you pause it before I read the backside, where we're going to notice the same kind of patterns in our stories. Number 6, there were 58 people running in a race. 46 people didn't finish. How many people did finish the race? Number 7, on Thursday they had a dance in the gym. There were 53 adults and 13 children. How many people were there? Number 8, there were 63 people running in a race. 44 people didn't finish. How many people did finish the race? Number 9, on Friday they had a dance in the gym. There were 64 adults and 13 children. How many people were there? All right, last one. There were 36 people running in a race. 21 people didn't finish. How many people did finish the race? When you are done, make sure you check all your work. Make sure you chose the correct thing, either addition or subtraction, and bring it to me to check.